Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Word not responding on your Windows 11 PC. First, if Microsoft Word is frozen and you cannot close it normally, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the list of running apps, find Microsoft Word. Right-click on it and select End Task. This will force Word to close completely. After that, restart your computer. A simple restart can remove temporary bugs or background problems that may be causing Word to freeze. If the issue still continues, you can repair Microsoft Office. Right-click the Start button and select Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Modify. You will now see two repair options. Select Quick Repair first because it is faster and does not require an internet connection. Click Repair and wait for the process to finish. If Word still does not work properly, repeat the same steps and choose Online Repair. This option takes longer and requires internet access, but it can fix deeper problems. You should also make sure Windows and Office are fully updated. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping your system updated can fix compatibility problems and improve performance. Thanks for watching.